Hello everyone, my name is Dr. SuLin from dr.SuLin.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 social media tips on how to grow your network marketing business on social media. So the first one will be to use your personal picture as your social media profile picture, because like in Facebook, Instagram, people want to be seeing your face, not the face of your children or your dog or your cat and like flowers. Just because your personal picture will actually give you that kind of know, like and trust factor. People will be drawn, and instant trust factor will be there if you put your photo there. Make sure it's you smiling in the picture, and it's only you, not your family or your spouse or your best friend, right? And then for our Facebook About Us section, there is one section about education and your company name. A lot of people, once they join a network marketing company, they immediately change their company name to their network marketing company name. So that is a no-no, right? It's a no-no, because you want to create that kind of curiosity and you want people to reach out to you, so that you can engage with them instead of they knowing everything once they land on your social media profile. So tip number 2 is stop selling and start storytelling, because people love to listen to stories. Stories actually is an indirect lead that draws people into your story, and there's one book that is very good explain about this strategy, is by Gary V, the jab right hook. So maybe I will include that in the description below. Because we know that facts tell but stories sell, so start to share more of stories instead of like selling. And tip number 3, remember we are in the lifestyle business and people love to live a fun and freedom type of lifestyle, and that's what we are actually selling. We are not just selling health supplements or travel coupons or things like that. We are actually in the lifestyle business. So post more pictures of your family, the places you are traveling to, what you are doing currently, your lifestyle pictures. So the more you post about your lifestyle and stories, the more your audience grows to know, like and trust you. Then tip number 4, actually reach out to people, about 1 to 5 people each and every day, just to comment and make them feel good, like compliment genuinely on their posts, their videos, what they share on their profile newsfeed. So leave them feeling good about you. So if you can do that consistently for the next 30 days or even 1 year, you will build a circle, a community, or your tribe that really attracted to you, and they like you because you make them feel good. And this is not the time to share any call to action or any business links, remember that. And then following that, tip number 5, do not mention your company name on social media. It's a big no-no, because you want people to be curious and come and ask you what is it that you are doing for a living, instead of just seeing your company name, and they will just type in a Google and find the information themselves. And do not share your company website link on social media. You want people to really reach out to you to ask, so that you can have that kind of conversation with them. And number 6, ask people to private message you. Like when you are sharing a story, a testimonial, income or product success story, you want to have a call to action at the end of that post. So that creates curiosity and leaves your audience with value without you being salesy or pushing something at them to buy. So like you can say, if you're interested in learning more, send me a private message. I will be happy to let you know what we are doing. So you want people to reach out to you and have that kind of conversation, so you are more in control of the exposure process. So tip number 7, final, last but not least, this is a social media training tip to have a Facebook fan page. I know sometimes you'll be like thinking, should or should we not have a Facebook fan page, right? But if we have a Facebook fan page, it actually gives you instant credibility and authority with your market, and people will take you and your business more seriously. And even okay, let's say if you don't have any Facebook fan page currently, just bear in mind or put it in your to-do list to actually start building your fan page, because on your fan page you can really do Facebook ads, boost the post engagement ads or things like that. So with that, I hope you find value in this video. If you do, like, comment, and also share this video with your teammates. And do remember, I have a little giveaway for you. 9 of my social media posts that converts. You can click the link in the description below. And if you want more training on social media sponsoring and recruitment, I have a mentor who actually teaches that, and she is super good. And the link is also in the description below. So until my next video, take care, bye.